Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to share with you my thoughts after I have finished this book. It's called Every Summer After, and it's by Carly Fortune. Now, I really enjoyed reading this. I found it to be the kind of book that you get emotionally involved with a character. You want to know what happens. You want to find out where this story is going, what happened in the past. And so anytime I pick up a book of fiction, that's really important to me. Is this something that's going to capture my interest, entertain me, and get me emotionally involved? And that's exactly what this book did.
So, this is a first person perspective of a young woman named Percy, and she's telling you the story of when she was a young teenager and she met the boy next door, and the summers they spent together, and the impact that that friendship had on her. But also, now, currently as an adult, when she has to return to that same place and see him again, and then what that relationship means to her now.
That's why I think this book was such a page turner for me because I could understand where the characters were coming from. It wasn't a story that was so far away from maybe my own personal experiences. So I got really invested in the characters and I wanted to see where was this going. And I love the fact that it travels between what happens in the past and also what's happening in the current timeline of the story. I really enjoy that when a story goes back and forth through time. So I found this a very enjoyable book, and it was something that I could not put down, and I'm certain you will too. And that is my point of view.